welcome back to Roopes Replies, and we are happy to answer this question for Mike, but it's a question that many of you have asked us over the last several months. So we want to define the Uno family of products. For Roopes, this means a product that can be used with any tool and any pad to do a finishing step. So this is kind of a last step product. And Uno, the word Uno, literally means in Italian one. So what we mean by that is one product that can be used with a variety of different tools or pads to accomplish a finishing step. By contrast, the Uno family of products is a bit different than our other compounds and polishes. For example, our DA polishing system has liquid specific to the DA movement. We also have our rotary compound and polishes that are specific to the rotary movement as a tool. And the Uno family of products can be used with those or any other variety of tools and pads. So currently we have these two Uno products, the Uno Protect and the Uno Pure, and we likely may or may not be introducing new Uno products in the Uno family in the future. To start with, Uno Protect is a one-step product that will remove defects, shine up the paint, and lay down up to 90 days protection. It's called Uno Protect because it has that protection package in this product. It can be used with a variety of tools, a variety of pads that might be appropriate to your paint condition and your goals for defect removal. But it really is an express detailing type product. Once around the car, really clean up the paint and leave a good amount of protection up to 3 months. So Uno Protect has the protection in it. Uno Pure, by contrast, is a pure product without the protection features in there. So this is actually ideal for a finishing polish, removing those last bit of defects and really preparing the paint for whatever protection you would like to add to your car. Could be traditional carnauba wax, polymer sealants, paint coating, whatever. No intentional fillers, leaves no solids behind on the paint. That's why we call it Uno Pure. Because you're very likely going to be on your very, very last finishing step and working with ultra fine defects at this point, it's very likely that your pad of choice is going to be our DA Ultra Fine white foam pad. So hopefully this answers Mike's question, and perhaps you had the same question, but we have defined what the Uno family of products means. We've talked about the differences between Uno Protect and Uno Pure. Uno Protect being that all-in-one, removing defects, shining up the paint, and leaving up to 3 months protection with a variety of tools and pads. The Uno Pure, ideal for finishing at an ultra-fine level and preparatory to some kind of a protection package, whatever your favorite wax, polymer sealant, or paint coating is. So if you have a question like Mike did, we're happy to answer these. We appreciate getting these, and we actually do read them and respond. And so if this is helpful to you, then like and subscribe, and we'll see you on a future episode.